Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to our celebration assembly today. We have had some nominations from our staff and from the mums and dads at home, which is really nice. So we've got some winners for you. Bet you'd like to know who they are, wouldn't you? So let's have a look. For respect, I've forgotten the birthday boys and girls, haven't I? And I don't think I've got any birthday music. I think we can just sing it, can't we? So if you've had a birthday this week, you need to stand up. Mums and dads and brothers and sisters, you can join in too. Are you ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear children and mums and dads and brothers and sisters. Happy birthday to you. And a birthday clap. Right, so let's get down to business. Let's see who has been reaching for the stars this week. So for respect this week, we've got Darcy Evans. Darcy has shown respect for her home. She's been helping with the chores at home and even doing the hoovering. Oh, Darcy, I'd like you in my home. She enjoyed it so much that she wants to do it again. Well done, Darcy. It's really important to respect our environment and our belongings as well as the people. So well done to you, Darcy, being very respectful. Okay, so for enjoy this week, we have Oscar Goodyear. And let's see what he's been up to. We have all noticed how much Oscar is enjoying his home learning. I've noticed that about you too, Oscar. He takes part in so many of the home learning activities and posts his photos and videos to Tapestry to show us all what he's been up to. He always has a cheery smile and he shows energy and enthusiasm. It puts a smile on all the faces of the reception teachers too. Well done, Oscar. That's lovely. Good boy. And we've got a winner for Achieve this week. It goes to Magnus Still. Well done, Magnus. Magnus has been working incredibly hard since lockdown began. He has done a range of activities every day and has particularly enjoyed taking part in science experiments. He has explored potions, ramps and explosions, just to name a few. Throughout this whole time, he's remained positive and been keen to achieve. Well done, Magnus. Oh, we're so proud of you. Keep it up. And who's been caring, I wonder? This week, it is Ariti. Well done, Ariti. Ariti has been showing she cares by writing letters. Yes, she has. She's written to Mrs. Cross, she's written to Mrs. Bygrave, and she's written to me. And you know what? It's really made all of us smile. So thank you, Ariti, for showing you care. We're proud of you. And finally, who's been healthy this week? Have you been healthy? This week it is Connie Willens. Connie has been learning about how to stay healthy at home. She's even started to play football with her brother to keep fit. Oh, well done, Connie. Connie and her family have walked 2 miles every day. Wow, to keep healthy too. Her family are very proud of her and so are we. Keep it up, everybody. Keep reaching for the stars. Keep showing how respectful you are. Keep enjoying and keep achieving. Stay caring and remember, try and be healthy too. Well done, everybody. And I'll might see you in school very soon. If not, see you on Facebook. Bye, boys and girls.